So now the morning has turned to afternoon, guys. So good afternoon. And let me see the energy you have, because though I can't see it, I can surely feel it. And my feelings are normally right. So yes, I know you have energy. Thumbs up for the energy of all of y'all. So, we normally do a city training at this time of the year. So we go north, south, east, west and train everybody, meet everybody. This time, we've got this brilliant opportunity that we don't have to go anywhere. And we are connecting with the entire India. It's like one India, one team. Okay, so it is all about connection. And I think this is so brilliant, because did you ever imagine this? No way. So we've learned, and you know what? I'm so happy that everybody knows how to connect on Zoom, how to chat. So imagine even I have learned all that now. So it's a superb learning, and superb to all of you. So for all the people who don't know me and know me, I am Leena. Those who don't know me will know us all by the end of the session, because we have the entire Forevermark team here. And now it is all about what we discuss. Everybody is going to talk a bit to you all. But before I start, I want to tell you something on a personal note. And this is really, really close to my heart, and I want to share it with you. It is that I really, really miss you all. Okay, I am not used to not seeing you all on the floor. I am not used to not having the lovely coffee and the rastawala chai of all those who remember we stand on the road and drink. Okay, the muri, every time I visit a store, the muris with sandwiches, chocolates, and the hospitality is the biggest thing, because luckily for me, whenever I come in, everybody's smiling. Okay, so at least I'm happy that you're happy to see me. So I really miss you guys, and I hope you miss us as well, and do remember us, and to all the videos as well. It is now we go forward, but I'm hoping to guys see you really soon. I'm really missing you all. Okay, so now we have with us today the key team members of Forevermark. We have Sachin Jain, President of Forevermark with us. We have Amit Pratihari, the Director of Retail. We have Toranj, Director of Marketing. We have Kishore, Director of Finance. And we are all here to talk to you, to connect with you. One team, one Forevermark, all India, and that's how we go. So over to you, Sachin.
Thank you, Leena, for such a lovely introduction. और मैं आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ. This is the first, digital online training that we are trying to do, and I'm very happy. I'm very, very happy. I second Leena's point that we all miss you, but I also hope that you all are doing well. Your families are good, and you're taking nothing but the most best care for yourself, your children, your parents, and everybody around you. Because I think that's what will really matter right now. And while we have this opportunity कि हम लोग सब घर पे हैं और हमारे Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ने एक step लिया है, we should support it with as much best way as we can. So I hope everybody is safe and I hope everybody is well. Now, from a safety point of view, जब हम De Beers की बात करते हैं तो safety हमारी बहुत important एक virtue है. It's one of the core things by which we live. And इसमें safety सिर्फ इस बात की नहीं है कि we are out there in the mine या हम business में हैं, but even right now the kind of steps that we have to take. And I would urge that कि हमारे company में Forevermark में De Beers में और आप लोग सब you all are ambassadors for that safety. It is we are the people who make an impact to people around us. I mean कई लोग हमारे पास आसपास हैं जो कहते हैं कि भाई चलो कहीं शॉप पे हो जाते हैं, चलिए मार्केट हो जाते हैं, लॉकडाउन है लेकिन let's skip through and do something. मतलब there is a bit of excitement, but I want you to be the ambassadors of safety, because as a world we will be in a better space after this COVID-19 settles in. But what, a lot of things have changed in the last 45 days. मतलब हमारे between this entire group कोई भी imagine नहीं कर सकता था कि क्या होगा और क्या हुआ और where we are today. मतलब आज का आप दिन देखिए, it's been over a month कि हम लोग सब घर से operate कर रहे हैं. But I'm sure that in the constraints and constricted environment, हम लोगों ने सब ने एक step अपनी तरफ से लिया, and we did whatever best we can. So work from home, it does not seem like a distant thing today. सब लोग हम लोग जैसे आप लोग सब connect हो पाए, हमारे साथ जुड़ पाए हैं टेक्नोलॉजी के रूपांतर से, spirit के रूपांतर से, in the spirit we are all together. I think it's really an example to say what all we can do against all odds. So this work from home was a very interesting time. और हम लोगों ने क्या किया when this whole lockdown started, first and foremost we started some senior management training programs which we are doing with the senior management colleagues of your companies, और बड़े specific subjects को लेके, finance को लेके, marketing को लेके, digital marketing को लेके. But that is one part. The other thing that I feel really proud of, and I really from the bottom of my heart want to thank each and every one of you, is the learn from home series that we started on the 30th of March, and this happened until yesterday. We had every day one video that was coming to you sorry, by perhaps helping you out or guiding you or telling you some insight about one of the aspects about your work, about your life. And in total we had over 23 videos, we had over 22 quizzes, we had over 44,000 participants and almost 2,000 participants a day. So I would like to give a big round of applause to each one of you. Big thumbs up to all of you. I mean, you have made this successful. You have proven to the world, to our managements, that while we are at home, we were equally committed to our work, to diamonds, to gold, to jewelry, and to our consumers. And most importantly, we were there to become better professionals and better human beings. So big kudos to all of you. I feel proud of each and every one of you. You made this happen and gave us this confidence. Now taking a step back, what is it? Basically, what is going to be the world after COVID? Will customers come and buy diamonds? कई सारे views हैं. मतलब बहुत सारे lot of research papers have been coming out as to what will happen. And कई लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई जब ये खुलेगा market, will not people worry about their core needs? कि why will somebody come and buy diamonds? Why will somebody come and buy jewelry? And why will somebody buy more luxurious products? और मैं आपको ये बहुत importantly बताना चाहूँगा that जो category हम लोग सब मिलके represent करते हैं, diamonds की हुई या अलग jewels की हुई और precious metals की हुई, these are symbols. These are symbols of love. These are symbols of memories. They're symbols of meaningfulness. They're precious, and we really are lucky to represent this category. But I think when the post-COVID happens, the need for genuine things, the need to genuinely express something to people will be higher than ever. It will take its own time. I don't think that जिस दिन lockdown खुलेगा हमारी दुकानों के बाहर लाइन लगी होगी. I mean, it will take its own time. But please have confidence and faith in the category that we all are working in. And diamonds have been around forever. We have seen variety of traumas, ups and downs in the last 132 years in De Beers, but we have come out of it stronger. मैं आपको 3 से 4 ऐसे examples दे पाऊंगा, like right from the end of World War II, उसके बाद अभी recently जब जापान में सुनामी आई थी, और अभी जो चाइना में भी जो which is already on a comeback, the meaningfulness of diamonds is the core strength, जिसकी वजह से हम लोग बहुत जल्द ही business में बहुत वापस आएंगे. Customers will come back. And I think I want to express touch a little more on this aspect of that I feel that we all are lucky to be representing this category, because हमारे चारों तरफ क्या है, खुशी है, memories हैं, customers जो आते हैं अपना सबसे precious, सबसे important moment of their life हमारे साथ बिताने के लिए, ये हमारे साथ एक advantage है. इसलिए I think हम लोग सब जो एक हीरे को touch कर पाते हैं, एक हीरा जो सबसे तरुण हीरा, the youngest diamond, जो 100 करोड़ साल पुराना, it's 100 crore years old, which we touch on a daily basis. Who other gets to do this? Touching and playing with the magnificent gifts of Mother Nature. We all get to do it, and we must, in the daily rat race at times, हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कि ये कितनी precious category है और how lucky we are. क्योंकि हमारे पास चारों तरफ लोग अपनी खुशियां बताने आते हैं. And I think we must take a lot of pride in that fact. I mean, I have a lot of my friends जो और industries में काम करते हैं. Perhaps their jobs are more exciting, but जो expression of consumers है, जो हमारे पास एक खुशी, एक emotion करने के लिए, एक family, somebody, a father's mind for his daughter, it's always niceness. And I think the important thing is कि जब हमें पता है कि customer जो हमारी दुकान के सामने आ रहा है या काउंटर के सामने आ रहा है, और वो बड़ा ही सोच विचार के अपना सबसे precious moments पूरी जिंदगी का बता रहा है, अपनी पूरी savings आपके सामने रख रहा है, do we take care of him in the same manner? Do we give him that respect कि ये अपना बहुत special moment बताने आया है? Perhaps at times not. हम लोग पहली चीज पूछते हैं उससे कि आपका बजट क्या है? हम लोग एकदम transaction में पहुंच जाते हैं. And I think I would want you all to give a pause, because step yourself in the shoes of your consumer. जो हमारा consumer है, क्यों हमारी दुकान पे आता है? I think वो हमारे दिल में होना और हमारे जज्बात में होना और हमारे actions में आना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And you will all see this resonant in the kind of results you get. but very importantly, we need to realize, we need to, really emotionally think कि वो customer अपना, पूरी जिंदगी की saving लेके आपके पास आया है, अपना एक बहुत precious moment बनाने, तो please think a little more emotionally on when you're presenting. तो इसके लिए हमारे को क्या करना है? इसके लिए हमारे को preparation करनी है. हमारी stories क्या हैं? What ये जो diamonds हैं, in the coming time will be important as to what diamonds do good. मतलब the amount of transformation and lives that we do in Africa, in Surat, in different parts of the world, in your own companies. आपकी companies में मैं यहाँ पे देख रहा हूँ कई सारे मेरे retail partners के team members यहाँ पे हैं. The phenomenal work that's happening, and these are things that you have to prepare so that you are the interface between the brand, the industry, but most importantly the diamond and the consumer. तो ये आपका एक important एक जरिया रहता है. But please prepare well. And हमारा जो ये platform जो लीना लीड कर रही हैं, एक लास्ट मंथ से हमारा ये ऑब्जेक्टिव रहा है कि आप लोग एक बेटर प्रोफेशनल बने, एक यू आर मोर स्किलफुल एंड यू आर टॉप ऑफ द गेम, बिकॉज जब समय ठीक होगा, व्हेन थिंग्स आर गुड टू गो, यू आर रियली आउटशाइनिंग, यू आर रियली आउट देयर एंड यू आर डूइंग योर बेस्ट. और मैं इसमें एक बात आपको और कहना चाहूंगा कि दिस इज आल्सो अ टाइम that while you are working in, let's say, A organization or B organization or C organization, and they will do their own bit, I would want you all to know कि भी आपके कौन से वो 5 कस्टमर हैं जो आपको टेक केयर करने हैं या आप उन्हें जानते हैं. प्लीज डू समथिंग फॉर देम, प्लीज मेक अ फोन कॉल, प्लीज हैंड राइट अ लेटर फॉर देम. अगर आपको दिमाग में कुछ ऐसा हो कि आपको उनको कुछ गिफ्ट देना चाहिए, आप अपने ओनर्स के पास, मैनेजर के पास जाएंगे, मैं 99% गारंटी देता हूँ, कोई मना नहीं करेगा आपको कि अगर आप अपने एक इंपॉर्टेंट कस्टमर के लिए कुछ केयरफुली, कुछ with emotion देना चाहें, because they all are coming out of this very crucial time, and they will come back to normalcy, and any gesture from you will matter a lot and will go a long time. And it's the time to show that you care. एक हमारी एक वैल्यू है डिबेयर्स में, which is pulling together. And इसमें क्या होता है कि हम लोग समझते हैं कि कोई भी टीम, चाहे मार्केटिंग हो, फाइनेंस हो, माइनिंग हो, एक्सप्लोरेशन हो, साइंटिस्ट हो हमारी कंपनी में, और मैं एक्सटेंड करता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है कि आप भी हमारा पार्ट है, मैं भी आपका पार्ट हूँ. तो वी हैव टू पुल दिस टाइम टुगेदर. इस समय में एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करके, इस पेंडेमिक से हमें निकलना है सेफली, एंड वी हैव टू वर्क ऑल टुगेदर टू गेट बैक ऑन ट्रैक. इसमें हम किसी प्रकार से आपकी छोटी सहायता, बड़ी सहायता, स्मॉल फेवर, स्मॉल इनपुट, बिग इनपुट, प्लीज कम टू अस. वी आर वन टीम विद वन ऑब्जेक्टिव. लेट्स गो आउट एंड मेक इट हैपन. एंड लास्टली मैं बोलना चाहूंगा कि व्हाइल मैं कई लोगों से मिलता हूँ जो कहते हैं कि अभी लॉकडाउन में है, फंस गए हैं, कुछ करने को नहीं है. I would think that this is a gift given to us. I mean, of course, one part is safety, and I hope there's nobody medically getting impacted. But beyond that, I want your commitment कि आप जिस दिन लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा, you will be at least 10% or 15% better emotionally, better physically, so अपनी exercises करिए, better spiritually, but really stronger, better human being, and better to take it as challenge. So I wish you all of luck, and I think in the next 1 hour, 1.5 hours, we'll share more insights with you, more skill sets that we would like to impart with you, so that you are successful in your whole endeavor. So wish you all the best, my friends. Over to you, Reena.
Thank you so much, Sachin. It's always a pleasure to listen to all this talk of positivity, and it's really worked well for all of us at Forever Mark for sure, De Beers. So I thank you as well. So now I would request Amit Pratihari to speak a few words. So over to you, Amit.
Thank you, Leena. Thank you, Sachin. I will start from where Sachin left. Okay. Lockdown, during this period, we have got an opportunity to rediscover ourselves. We have got an opportunity to learn about ourselves more. During the rush of our life, every time when we go to our office, we say that अरे आज मुझे ऑफिस जाना है, आज मुझे फिर वही जाके सफाई करना है, आज मुझे फिर से वही प्रोडक्ट डिस्प्ले करना है, आज मुझे फिर से वही कस्टमर को अटेंड करना है. हमारे पास एक एटीट्यूड हो जाता है कि क्योंकि जो हमारे लाइफ में इजीली अवेलेबल है, हम उसको वैल्यू नहीं देते हैं, हम उसका महत्व नहीं समझते हैं. वी डोंट नो व्हाट मीनिंग और व्हाट वैल्यू दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग एड्स टू आवर लाइफ. चाहे वो हमारा जॉब हो, चाहे वो हर वो कस्टमर हमारे दुकान पे आया हो, चाहे वो हर प्रोडक्ट जो हम बनाते हैं बड़े प्यार से और उसको बेचना चाहते हैं, हर वो चीज हम उसका महत्व नहीं जानते हैं. एंड वी हैव एन एटीट्यूड टू कंप्लेन, ओके दिस इज नॉट राइट, दिस इज नॉट राइट. But look at what this lockdown has done. This lockdown has given us a fresh life to think again. How important is our job? How important is our friends whom we can't meet? How important is our customer who doesn't come to our store? We don't make money. If we don't make money, how do we take care of family? So in this process of lockdown, we have been able to identify and refocus what is important for our life. लाइफ में हमारे काफी सारे सिचुएशन ऐसे आते हैं कि जिसमें हम बहुत उदास हो जाते हैं, एंड वी फॉरगेट दैट व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन लाइफ, चाहे वो फैमिली हो, दोस्त हो, चाहे वो सुबह का एक सूरज का किरण का क्यों ना हो। तो मैं चाहता हूं कि एक छोटा सा एक्सरसाइज किया जाए अपने लाइफ के साथ। मैंने क्या किया, जो व्हेन आई वाज हैविंग अ डिफिकल्ट टाइम इन माय लाइफ, आई सेड ओके, लाइफ में सब कुछ ठीक नहीं चल रहा है, तो मैं कैसे ठीक कर सकता हूँ। तो मेरी बेटी ने मुझे एक जार दिया था, तो मैंने उस जार में कुछ लिखा हुआ है, ग्रैटिट्यूड जार। ग्रैटिट्यूड जार के अंदर में हर वो चीज मेरे लाइफ में जो अच्छा था, मेरा बचपन का पहला दोस्त, मेरा पहला जॉब, मेरा पहला सैलरी, हर वो चीज मैंने लिखने लगा जिसमें मुझे पॉजिटिविटी लाइफ में मिला, और वो मैं भरता गया उस जार में। थोड़े 15-20 दिन बाद वो जार भर गया। तो लाइफ में मेरे को आज भी कभी भी वो डाउनफॉल आता है, कभी भी वो मुझे बुरा समय आता है, तो मैं उसे खोल के देखता हूँ कि लाइफ में कितने चीजें अच्छे हैं। जब मैं एक चीज खोलता हूँ तो कई बार आती है, oh, I'm very thankful for my family, I'm very thankful for my good health. So I would urge that everybody need to be having some gratitude towards themselves, towards their life, that because that will make us much better person. जब हमारे when with the store were operation, the store जब हमारा अच्छा चल रहे थे, कस्टमर आ रहे थे, हम उस कस्टमर को ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते थे। बट दिस लॉकडाउन के बाद आई वुड अर्ज दैट, और आप लोगों को खुद को भी पता होगा कि कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है वो कस्टमर को आना, वो कस्टमर हमारे प्रोडक्ट को देखना और अच्छे तरीके से देख के वो उसे खरीद के जाए। हमारे जो हम जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं, हमारा सैलरी टाइम पे आता है, हर वो चीज को वी नीड टू बी वेरी थैंकफुल for whatever we get in life, and most importantly we need to be thankful to ourselves also. तो मैं ये आप सबको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि प्लीज आप अपने ग्रैटिट्यूड जार लिखिए और उसमें अपना अपना लाइफ में क्या इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं उसको भरिए। लीना का लास्ट 23 डेज में हर दिन वो एक वीडियो भेजते हैं, ठीक है। उस वीडियो को देख के हमें कई चीजें लर्निंग के लिए आते हैं। सम पीपल दे टेक द एफर्ट ऑफ अटेंडिंग द क्विज ऑल्सो। मैं आप लोगों को अर्ज करूंगा जो क्विज अटेंड नहीं करते वो भी कीजिए, बिकॉज हमें कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा। बिकॉज ये 24 घंटा या तो हम सो के बिता सकते हैं या तो कुछ सीख के बिता सकते हैं। आज जो हमारे पास वो टाइम है, जब दुकान खुलेगा, when the store will open, we'll be ready for business, and that time we will not have time to learn what we are supposed to learn, and this free time is giving us to learn, to make sure that we have a better future. Okay, the most powerful weapon against your daily battles in life is the courage to be the grateful in any way. हर वो चीज के लिए हमें grateful होना बहुत important है। आप लोगों को ये लग रहा होगा मैं बहुत ज्ञान दे रहा हूँ gratitude के बारे में, ये हमारे बिजनेस में कैसा काम आएगा? अगर हम अपने बिजनेस के तरफ, हम अपने तरफ अगर ग्रैटिट्यूड नहीं रखेंगे तो हम कभी बिजनेस भी अच्छी तरीके से नहीं कर पाएंगे। वो कहते हैं ना, यू कांट टीच अ फिशरमैन हाउ टू कैच अ फिश, क्योंकि फिशरमैन को मछली पकड़ना पता है। आप लोग एक अमेजिंग सेल्स पीपल हो, अमेजिंग जॉब करते हैं जो भी रेस्पेक्टिव एरिया से हैं, तो मैं आपको अपना जॉब नहीं सिखाना चाहता कि आपको कैसा क्या करना चाहिए। यू आर द बेटर पर्सन टू लर्न बाय इटसेल्फ, और यू लर्न ऑन द जॉब। मैं आपको ये सिखाना चाहता हूँ और ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आप अपने आप पे विश्वास कीजिए। दिस लॉकडाउन टाइम इज हेल्पिंग अस टू फोकस आवरसेल्फ, डू अ सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन and take this opportunity to learn more, and when the market opens, please use this learning to be a better individual and to build a better future. I won't take much time beyond this. Over to you, Leena. Thank you very much and have a wonderful session.
Thanks, Amit. That was very good. And for all the people who want to understand in English, I just want to tell you that there is one thing which Amit has said, which is we have to have a gratitude jar. You have to think of all the things which you have been grateful for, because when we get busy in our work, we will not think that. So today, even as sunlight is, okay, we have the sun, we can enjoy the nature and beautiful thing. Let us be thankful and let us start with the gratitude in a different way when we come to customers in the future in the stores. So that is a very good insight, and I'm going to find a jar and label it like this. I like the label as well. And let's put in every day at least one thing. At least one means I think my jar will be full in a day. So let's try putting it in try to fill as many chits as we can. Yeah. So now I would request Toranj to say, take over and talk to you guys.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon. It's great to see so many people attending this lovely training. We have close to 500 people here, and there are a few more who want to join in, but unfortunately this quota is full. So we will be doing another one, and this recording is going on. So we will be sharing this later on with everyone, so everyone can actually see the entire training. So I'd like to welcome you all to this All India training, and I'll just give you a small brief about what training is about and why it's so important that y'all are also an integral part of this marketing endeavor that we have for the brand. So if we can move to the next slide. So this is an indication, it's an indication of the human brain. Now, according to research, there are 3,000 thoughts that go through a human brain in 1 hour. So, itne sare 3,000 khayal mein, how can you make a small impression of your brand in the human brain is what marketing is about. A consumer, she has so many things to think about: how to manage the house, pick up the child from school, ensure that work is done. If the car is not working, get it done. I have to buy sabzi. There are so many things going on in a person's brain at every point of time. And for us to be able to make a small impression on that, it takes effort, because it is, it has to make an impression amongst 3,000 thoughts in 1 hour. So that's about 70,000 thoughts in a day. So for that, you have to have a consolidated, a full marketing effort. Now, if we move to the next slide, I will explain to you what marketing does. So marketing is about branding. It's about advertising, creating a logo, many things. But there are many other things that also make a difference. It's about building trust. It's about building loyalty. It's about safety. And all of these small things, like the shape of our logo, like the shape of our box, like the designs of our product, kind of luxurious feel, premium quality, all the small things that the customer sees about and makes it makes the same impression and same thought that comes into the mind. So I have to say that what does marketing do? Marketing makes a person feel, look, and trust a brand or a company. And that is what the whole endeavor of marketing is. Now, it can be that, oh, but you know, it's just a small thing. Why not just put it in another packaging and give my product to the customer? But the thing is that if you want to create a feel, if you want to create a certain expectation, if you want to create a certain kind of emotion regarding your brand or regarding your product, you have to have a constant message going through all touch points. Now, if we move to the next slide, every time you think, okay, you know, the customer is coming to me, finally I'm the one who's selling, and of course y'all are the best people to sell in this kind of in the store. I mean, no one can teach y'all. Like Amit said, कोई आपको सिखा नहीं सकता selling करने को. But if you have support, if you have some more backup, of course your selling can work much better. And that's where visual merchandising comes into the picture. With visual merchandising, that is silent seller. Your silent seller is the one who actually quietly, with only visual clues, with only visual imagination, can sell your product. You don't have to do anything to create a feeling for that. A customer come into a showroom and they see your product, they say, oh wow, this product looks premium, not because you have told them, not because you have spoken to them, because of the way it is presented in the showroom, the way it is shown in the way the advertising is done. So when you are selling to a customer, ensure that your product presentation also matches the way the advertising is, the marketing is, what you're talking about the product. an untidy looking place would not help you sell the product the way you are speaking about it. So silent selling is one very important aspect when you are selling to a customer, and that is completely in your control. Other things may not be, but this is completely in your control. So you should be able to make it the best when you are selling. Now, given this current situation, and all of us are at home, and as Amit said, and as Sachin said, there are many things that we have done. There are many things we have learned. We have moved positively and looked at this whole situation in a very positive way. Learned so many things over the past 23, 24 days. So there is a way that we have also adapted how we advertise. So our campaign before starting before the corona pandemic started was very different from what it is now. So I will just show you how we also have adapted to the advertising that we were doing, plus how we should not be silent during this time. We should not be quiet about our brand, because this is during this time that we have to show positivity. We have to show looking forward to the future. We have to show that we are that this is a small thing which will pass. And there have been times in the whole history of De Beers where we have crossed many huge obstacles, and this will be also one of them. So, so we did adapt to our advertising, and I would like to show you the video of that so that you all can understand that whilst we are at the stores are shut, we are still making an effort to ensure that we remain in the mind of the consumer. So if you can please play the video. Yeah. So, so as you can see, we have customized the messaging towards this situation. We are looking towards a brighter future, and that is what we are also conveying to our consumers, to our clients, that don't worry, there is a brighter future beyond this, and we are definitely getting there. So I would like to conclude here and wish you all the best, and see you all in person whenever we open up.
Thank you, Suraj, and I feel like we've really adjusted in all ways to this lockdown. Doesn't really actually feel like a lockdown because we're all connected, so which is good. So now I would like to invite Kishore to talk a bit about finance, and over.
Namaste, India.
Namaste.
The entire globe has adopted our way of greeting, which is Namaste. With this social distancing, entire globe has left country, and what kind of the actions our government is taking. You might have seen that so many prime minister have started adopting the Namaste, I think by maintaining the social distancing. So thank you very much again for joining. Maybe we can move on to the next chart. So in this chart, you may find that more than 3,000 global organizations financial is consolidated, and we will show you that the market capitalization by sector wise. So this is a fair representation of the entire globe. So in Q1 2020, which is first quarter 2020 में जो essential commodities है, जो आपको right hand side में दिखाई देगा, उनका market capitalization, that means उनके overall जो share prices है, वो drop जो हो गए हैं, वो काफी कम है vis-a-vis what the sectors which are shown on the left hand side. जो essential commodities है, जिसके अंदर आता है हमारे daily household articles, our food items, telecom, pharma, healthcare, ये सारे सेक्टर का जो डिक्लाइन है इन Q1 2020 वर्सेस 2019 वो है 5, 7, 8, 10% वो रेंज में, वो काफी कम डिक्लाइन हुआ है बिकॉज certain activities in the essential commodities are still going on, still which are happening. और अगर आप एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट में जाओ तो यू मे फाइंड दैट देयर आर सर्टेन सेक्टर्स जिसमें डिक्लाइन काफी ज्यादा है, उनके शेयर प्राइसेस, उनका मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन बहुत ज्यादा डिक्लाइन हुआ है, और सबसे मैक्सिमम डिक्लाइन है वो ऑयल एंड गैस, जो हम लोगों ने देखा है कि ऑयल एंड गैस का सप्लाई काफी ज्यादा है लेकिन डिमांड एब्सोल्युटली कम हो गया है दोनों जगह से। सो एक तो ट्रैवल खत्म हो गया है एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग काफी कम हो गया है, उसकी वजह से ऑयल एंड गैस का डिमांड नहीं है। सो नो डिमांड एंड हायर सप्लाई हैज reduced their market cap by almost 45 to 50%. Air travel, हम सबको पता है, on account of borderline restrictions.
Sure. Sorry to interrupt. If you could speak in English, please. The participants are requesting for that.
Okay, I will do that.
Also, participants, if you have any questions, please feel free to keep asking them in the chat box. All our panelists will be very happy to answer them. Thank you. Sorry, Kishore, over to you.
Yeah. Thank you very much. So you may find that the air travel, on account of travel restrictions, there is no air travel which is happening in many of the countries. There are another two sectors which are generally forward looking. Currently, since there are uncertainties, particularly the real estate and the automobile, which is car, there is a drop because people are deferring a little bit their decisions to buy. When market is not doing so well, sectors are not doing so well, certainly the banks, certain their loans becomes NPA, and hence there is also a huge drop in the banks market cap, which is their share prices. If you see our sector, which is apparel, fashion and luxury, which is at the midpoint, so the impact is moderate on our segment. Moving on to the next chart, you may find that when this market cap is declined, when there is a disruption, but the things are not I think all the things are not so bad. I think we are on stage 1, which is outbreak stage, and China has already moved on to the next stage, which is the recovery stage. You may find that the China's recovery is much better. The China's there are various parameters which will suggest that the first parameter on the left hand side, you may find that the people and goods movement in China is almost normal. इसका मतलब सारे malls open हो गए हैं, transport system is open, the activities are open, the offices are open. So that means the goods and people movement is very closer to the 2019 levels. The second chart shows that the coal consumption is very close to the level of the 2019. That means अगर coal consumption अगर 2019 के level पे पहुंच गया है, इसका मतलब manufacturing normal हो गया है. So I think the manufacturing is normal. Other activities are quite normal. So what I wanted to say is China's recovery is much faster than what we have anticipated. We have also seen from our own business and some of the other business like Chotai Folk and other businesses on Tiffany, their businesses has very rapidly grown up. Particularly in the month of April, their businesses have shown quite a recovery, and hence overall I think the recovery in China is much faster. Also on the right hand side chart, you may find that the stock market, which is in many countries has declined by 25 to 35%. Particularly in China, we have seen that in last couple of weeks, the recovery is much faster. The decline is only now 5% vis-a-vis their earlier levels. That means the stock market in China has recovered. Overall, if you see overall, I think the China's recovery is much faster, which gives a belief that I think India is also emerging market, very likely with China, and hence once the lockdown is over, the recovery in India, we strongly feel that the recovery in India will be much sharper and faster as well. Moving on to the next chart. See in this chart, you may find that on the left hand side, that's our current status. All employees are sitting at home with certain protections. We are connecting with our customers. We are engaging with our customers. We are using the technology, which is video conferencing, very customer focused, digital focus. We have seen the supply chain disruption in current times. Goods are not moving. Inventory is stuck. The entire working capital cycle is blocked. cash, everyone is working on the cash conservation because sale nahi ho raha hai, top line nahi ho rahi hai, certain cost is happening, the bottom line is impacted, and hence everyone is looking at the cash conservation. I think that's where we are currently. We all know that we are eagerly waiting for the lockdown to get over. जैसे ही lockdown खत्म हो जाएगा, I think you guys are very important people. You are the employee capital of all the organizations, and जब ये खत्म हो जाएगा, उसके बाद में when the customer will come to the store, I think customer will have n number of the questions. The first question, whether your place is safe and secured. While wearing the jewelry, he will have certain questions. I think ये time पे कौन सा भी SOP काम नहीं करेगा. I think you guys are really the distributed leadership. The only owner can't do it. I think you guys are the distributor leadership. You all are leader in your own capacity. I think you will perform various tasks, not only of showing the jewelry, because customer will spend very limited time into the store because he will have a fear. So I think but the conversion will happen almost 100%. So I think you need to take that as an opportunity. You need to provide very specific, customized, tailor-made solutions to the customers. And I'm sure, I think you guys will do a wonderful job after opening up. Another one is, I think we will take the most care so that the demand drive steps will be taken, various marketing initiatives will be taken, and all the steps will be taken so that the business will come very quicker to the normalcy. और अगर कौन से भी डिसरप्शन के बाद में you may find that काफी reforms आ जाते हैं, और ये टाइम के बाद we will see that various reforms will be there into the healthcare sector, into the supply chain, many things. The way I think we are connecting with you through this video conferencing. I think ये सारी चीजें continue रहेंगी. People will use more and more robotics, AI practices, virtual displays. I think people will use more of the reforms. And I think in this journey we both are together. So that's it from my side, and thank you very much for patience hearing. Over to Leena.
Yeah, Kishore, we also have a very interesting question that a participant has asked from Arpan Mehta. Do you think that the ongoing scenario will give a sudden rise in the quantum of buyback refunds at the retail counters once we open up?
Okay, so in Thailand, there is Thailand, when they open up, there was a huge sellout of the gold happen, and most of the jewelers were out of the cash. So that is the anecdotal example from the Thailand, but that's a reality. But the two countries like India and China, we feel that I think gold and diamonds are an investment. And that's a last case scenario. Then only they will try and liquidate everything, and then only they will sell the gold and jewelry. So in my personal opinion, I think people will try and avoid selling gold and jewelry. I know the gold rates are quite high, and hence it may be a temptation, but it's unlikely that may happen. Rather, we think is other way around, because people people have stopped spending on various activities, which is particularly on their restaurants while going out, but travel, and hence all that money which is the saving, I think will get moved on to the jewelry. So that's my thinking. Sachin, any
yes,
thinking?
Just to add to Kishore's point, मेरा सोचना ये है कि as rightly Kishore has said, that jewelry is very emotional. So only very dire straits people will come and buy or sort of sell gold back. But I think broadly they have been a part of a lot of industry discussions and panels, जिसमें ये broadly ये consensus निकला है कि जिस वायदे के साथ, with the promise that we have sold this gold to a consumer, first and foremost we all have to stand behind that promise. So very clearly, broadly, that is what the industry is agreeing to. But हमारा ये भी सोचना है that because the gold is already at it's already reached at a 50,000 plus, the projection is 60 or 70 or 80. It becomes our role that we tell the real story, and the fact is that we are in a good situation, that gold is rising. So कुछ जिसको बहुत ही dire straits है, जिसको घर चलाने के लिए चाहिए gold, या बिल्कुल जैसा किशोर mention किया कि कोई saving नहीं बची है, certainly you will see a bit of result coming in, but consumption भी बढ़ेगी. तो अगर आप, the difference will be that as a businessman, instead of buying it from the bullion, you will have gold coming in from the consumer. But I think it will not be as sort of crazy as you had thought about a week back. Back to you, Kishore.
Thank you, Sachin. Leena, we'll move back over to you now.
Yeah. Okay. Kishore, that was really good. And Sachin, thanks for adding the points. It is true, that when we buy gold and diamonds, it is of emotional value and investment and all of that. Okay. So what I want you also to understand is from Kishore's point of view, and I understood in my understanding, I am taking back that I have to also be careful of what I earn and what I have. So one thing for our personal life, let us not waste on anything. Okay, whether it is food or anything, because the demand and supply will go on, but right now we are in this moment where we all need to take care of ourselves. So and going forward, now I will take over from here, and I'm going to do a little short session again of a recap of Forevermark. The reason I'm doing this recap is not because you don't know anything. You know everything and you remember everything by now because so many days of videos. So I would want you all to score really well in the quiz which follows this, and most of the answers you will get in this short presentation of mine. In fact, I want to tell you that the gifts, the prizes are for the 20. There are 20 prizes, gifts for 20 winners who will score 100%, which is 25 on 25. The results will come on live on the screen, so you can see it. So nobody has that thought that is it right or wrong. Just like the inscription, it will be transparent to all of you, and you will see it. First 20 who score, the first 20 who score 25 on 25 will be the winners, and they will also be, we will put up the names and we will announce them today, and then carrying forward, tomorrow we will have the video which will come to all of y'all, and y'all can see that video going forward. Okay. Now let me just start with my presentation, and I will just leave this slide on for a moment because we are talking about diamonds. And all diamonds are beautiful and best. But right now over here, I want you to remember that we are a part of Forevermark Diamonds. Forevermark is a part of the De Beers group of company, which is more than 130 years old. Okay, the whole fact of Forevermark is that it is an international diamond brand. It is available in more than 35 countries in the world. And this is the only diamond which actually has a website, jewelry have, but this is the only diamond which has a website, www.forevermark.com, and we never leave you alone. We are always there. So we are just a phone call away on the toll-free number, 1800-210-2121. Okay, all these will help you. So I'm telling you in the beginning, but there are 25 questions, but I started with that. Okay, so I hope you've got it clear. The next thing you have to really remember about Forevermark is that they are natural, real, and untreated. Okay? And the other three words which all our advertisements say is beautiful, rare, and responsibly sourced. So basically, these are our points. And now we shall go further. So can I have the next image, please? Yes, we thought we'd take a dinosaur from another country now. Okay, so we have a new dinosaur for this presentation. And like Sachin mentioned, the youngest diamond is more than 100 crore years old before the dinosaurs. Here, when we are talking about diamonds, we are talking about natural diamonds which come from Mother Earth. Next slide, please. The bus, we've seen it 100 times, but just to tell you that it is no mamuli bus. This bus lot of this bus is empty because all the diamonds in the which are for jewelry, which are found in the world till now, don't fit in this bus. They don't fit in this bus means there are not too many. There is lots of place left in the bus. That is why we say all diamonds are really rare. And from this bus, we choose less than 1% diamonds to become Forevermark. So you can imagine how rare and selected they become. Diamond is the hardest substance found in the earth. It is carbon, 100% carbon, which crystallizes under a lot of temperature and pressure. It is so hard that in this picture you can see a diamond. Only a diamond can cut a diamond. No other thing can cut, no knife, no saw, nothing. A diamond is so hard, only a diamond can cut a diamond. When we find diamonds, natural diamonds, they are found in this earth, and as you can see the slide which has one rough diamond, they are not found shining and shimmering, they are just found like a rock. And as you can see that one picture, this is how the rock, the stone as they call it, but it is the diamond. So let's say diamond. The rough diamond comes out from Mother Earth. And this, when it comes out, right now we're talking about joining mines in Botswana. We get a diamond like this. And from this one diamond, we get so many different diamonds. So it is from one diamond, we get different colors, different sizes, different transparencies, different, you can see it on the chart. Now, it is all from one diamond. So diamond is a diamond after all. But for Forevermark, we guarantee the best diamond in the world. And the best diamond only comes with the sparkle and the shine. So we choose transparent diamonds. Like if you see R3, which is 6.08 carat, and R2, which is 4.90 carat, you can see light coming in and going out. And so amongst all the diamonds which come out from that one single rough diamond, we choose only these two. A lot of you have done sorting in your trainings and got the right answer, but just for the recap of all those who are not there, and so that you do well in the quiz as well. So diamonds are rare, precious, beautiful, but there are some diamonds which are beyond, okay? We call them exceptionals. You don't find many, or you don't find a second one like that. So if you look at the blue diamond, it's the Hope diamond, which was very famous in the movie Titanic. The other diamond you see there is the red diamond. Red is the rarest color of all diamonds. And this is how it looks. And this is my favorite diamond, which is the Kohinoor diamond. Okay, the Kohinoor diamond was the first diamond which was found in India in Golconda mines in Hyderabad. Now, as you can see, we put this picture of the crown. So it is in the Queen's crown, and now it is on showcase in the Tower of London. So Kohinoor was found in India. There are these exceptional diamonds now are really a part of history. Like it just goes on in history and it will never go away. It stays there forever. And now this is it. When I buy a diamond nowadays, and anybody buys a diamond nowadays, the customer is only moving the diamond and looking at the shine. That's right, the brilliance, the fire. This one C, 4 C's, cut, color, clarity, and carat. This C is cut. This is the most important C for brilliance of the diamond, the shine of the diamond. And this is the only one thing a human being can give a natural diamond. The cut is what is important. The shape, the size, and the shine. I like it. And each and every Forevermark diamond shines the brightest of all because it's anyways chosen from transparent diamonds. You have two charts here showing you brilliance and fire. White light enters in and stays within the perfectly cut diamond, and white light comes in and goes into rainbow colors, which gives the brilliance and fire. Okay, so one is white light is brilliance, and white light with rainbow colors is fire. And so all my Forevermark diamonds are scintillating. Scintillating means they shine in whichever direction you take it with the rainbow shine. This is how scintillating looks. The most important thing in Forevermark is the promise, a promise of assurance and guarantee. And this comes as an inscription on the table of the diamond. As you can see, the small, each and every diamond, it's a story of one diamond. Each and every diamond comes with an inscription card. This inscription card is showing you the details of what is there on the diamond table. On the diamond table, each and every Forevermark, when it is according to all the parameters, that means it's natural, genuine, untreated, from D to L color, from IF to SI2, from 10 points and above, and the cut has to be excellent or very good. Each of them get inscribed with this one inscription number, one diamond, one number, and it is on the table of the diamond. It is so thin that if I pull out one hair of mine and make it 5,000 long, slender, slim, it is that thin, 5,000 the depth of the human hair. If anybody knows a lot of like technical words, it's 1/20th of a micron deep. Okay, so it does not affect the diamond. In fact, it gives me a guarantee that I bought the best, because even when it is set, I can see it under the special machine, which is there at your selected stores in Forevermark at And you can see it when the diamond is set into jewelry. It's just a matter of, I feel good, I know it's mine. And even if I go to the store to clean it, they will show me the number. I'll check with the card when I'm back. I'm happy, I've got what I gave. So the inscription card, as you can see, it has the inscription number, the carat, the shape, and the date of inscription. There are some cards which do not have a gold chip. In the next slides, you will see a one with the gold chip. Even if this card comes without the chip, it is okay, because initially the cards were made for international office use. And so you might see cards like that. So this viewer is by far your biggest tool, guys, to use it. Okay. And this is one question I never miss asking anybody. And if you all remember, where is the viewer? Is it charged? Can you show me the inscription? This has to be the starting point for you to talk about it in the future. Things will change. You have shorter time, you have better time, and you can explain better. So my favorite over here is the viewer. And so we go on to the next slide. And where do you find the viewer? Only with you guys. It's not there everywhere else. So imagine, as Kishore was also saying, that we have to take forward what we know and what we have. And so, as Toranj was saying, visual merchandising, we have given you all at the store. And we, whatever Sachin was saying, whatever Amit was saying, we have to be gratitude. We have to be happy to be with the owners and have gratitude that we are dealing with such beautiful stuff. So visual merchandising is most important. So right now, if I have to talk about visual merchandising, I will tell you the 4Cs chart, the mirror, the catalog stand, and the viewer must be visible on the gallery or on your counter, because otherwise the customer will not connect, he will not see. And as Toranj mentioned rightfully, marketing is all about that it has to catch the vision. And if it is neat, clean, and white and shining, it will catch. You are the best ones. I know you look after it. So go on and look after these 4 things on the counter for sure. Okay. What is it? It is the viewer, the 4Cs chart, the mirror, and the catalog stand. Okay. So, okay. Got it? Okay. Remember it. And it's all about a promise. We promise that each and every diamond has an inscription of trust and genuinity. It also promises you that from the mind to the finger, we have traceability. We know where it comes from, we know where it goes, and we are the whole and whole soul keepers. So this is Joining Mines in Botswana, where we get the best diamonds from De Beers mine in Botswana in South Africa. You'll have all seen it, so I'll rush through it. The second most important part is sorting, where we take the selected diamonds which are transparent, and we sort it out for Forever Mark. The third step is cutting and polishing. As I told you, that's the only thing a human being can give. And we have only selected 45 companies in the world who cut and polish it to the best standards ever to give it that scintillating shine. And this is the Forever Mark Diamond Institute in Belgium and Surat, where each and every diamond is checked that is a genuine, natural, untreated, and real. And then the inscription is put on the diamond, and each and every diamond is checked 5 times before a grading report is made. This is the inscription, as I told you, 1/5000, the depth of human hair on the diamond table. And now you have the grading. Each and every diamond is checked 5 times before it is graded. So now you can see a picture of a bangle, and each diamond, 1 diamond, 1 card, 50 diamonds in a bangle, 50 cards. Okay, this is because, as we have talked before, it's about investment, legacy. You want the person you love to own it. So that is the reason. On the other side, you can see the 4Cs grading certificate. Each diamond is checked 5 times before the grading certificate is made. These are 2 different things. Every diamond will come with an inscription card, and every diamond, or whatever your jeweler keeps, will also come with a grading certificate. The grading certificate of Forever Mark is very, very important to go with the grading with the Forever Mark diamonds, because it is about what you own and what you really own from the company itself. So grading and inscription card are 2 very, very important things that the person should own when they buy a Forever Mark diamond. The big ideas. So all know about the Big Ideas. It's a collection which is launched with an international twist all over the world. So as you see, we've done a whole video on Big Ideas, the Millimore collection, the Forever Mark setting, the Encordia, the Together collection, the Cornerstone collection, and the Tribute collection. All of them have a lovely story, but I'll tell you just one story out of all of them, and that is the Forever Mark setting. The 4 prongs are on 4 sides. It's not 4 corners. It's on 4, like, up, down, side, side. So the ad used to say, like the olden ads, and I remember it very clearly, it used to say, you are my north, you are my south, you are my east, you are my west, and you are special and unique. And this diamond is for you. I would love it. Okay, so it's all about the universe being there for you in the Forever Mark setting. You are the world. Yeah, next one. Okay, you know what? This I was really looking at, and I thought it was really, really good, because we tend to forget every time we are doing the training and we're forgetting. So for me to remember Forever Mark, I have just 2 words for you. And incidentally, we've spoken about the sun today. It is bright sun. So whatever I've told you, and I put it in one short way that you can remember it, and this is the best I can get. Okay. Beautiful, be beautiful, R rare, I inscription, G genuine, H hero, because that's the one which shines the most in your jewelry setting, jewelry piece. T for trust, that is for you for bright. Sun is selected, unique, natural. You remember bright sun and what it stands for. You are sorted when you are talking to your customer what you need to say. We have tried to make it as easy as possible, because tomorrow when the customer comes, she will want you to talk. She will want you to feel good. And it's all in your hands to make her feel like a bright sun entering the store, because you will look like a bright sun as well. Do you like this? I kind of quite liked it. Is it easy for you guys? Would it be easy for you to remember? Yes or no? Array?
Yes, the participants are commenting and raising their hands for you later.
Very good. Okay. Good. Okay. Why hero? Somebody's asking. Because when there is less than 1% of diamond which is selected from all the diamonds, and it is in that jewelry piece, it is that hero. A movie never has 2 heroes. But our jewelry piece, if you have 20 diamonds, each one is a hero. So you have 20 heroes in your neck. Okay, so each one is selected. That is why it's a hero. Yeah, guys, thank you. I like it. Remember it, bright sun. And look at the sheet once more very carefully. And you know why I'm telling you that? Okay, next slide, please. Okay, so the next slide comes to, you are my east, you're my north, you're my south, you're my west. We're all here together. And so now the session of this is over.